It is usually called the local tab, but on my feed here, you can see that it says Belfast, and it's changing how we see content. But there's a catch. To use it, TikTok needs your precise GPS location. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what this feature is, what you need to know about your privacy, and how to turn it on or off. Traditionally, TikTok shows you viral videos from all over the world. The new local feed tab changes that by highlighting videos posted right in your neighbourhood. So if I click on Belfast, think of it like a digital community board. Instead of just global trends you might see, local creators covering neighbourhood events, a heads up about a pop-up market happening this weekend, posts from people physically near you. You'll know you have this feature if you see a local tab appearing at the top of your app alongside following and for you. Now, like I said, mine says Belfast, so it might be worded slightly different. Before you dive in, there are 4 key things you need to know about how this works. It's 18 plus. If you're under 18, this feature is permanently disabled for your account. TikTok has this feature switched off by default. You have to manually choose to share your location for it to work. Precise GPS required. So unlike some apps that just need your general city, this feed requires your exact location to show you hyper-local content. TikTok states that the app only accesses your exact location while it's open, so it shouldn't be tracking your whereabouts in the background when you aren't using the app. If you want to try it out, or if you've decided it's not for you, here's how to manage it. Check availability. First, look at the top of your TikTok home screen. So when I clicked on Belfast, there is an option to turn on the location. We'll use this to improve your experience, such as showing you more relevant content, ads, and location-based. And open settings, permissions, location, allow while using the app is what I would select. And if we go back and hit the X button and give it a little refresh, so my current region is Belfast, but we can search different regions, which is quite cool. Enabling the feed. If you want to see local posts, click the local tab. The app will ask for permissions to access your device's precise GPS. You must agree to this for the feed to populate with nearby content. Disabling or changing settings. If you want to change your mind, you aren't stuck. You can turn off precise location churn at any time. To do that, what you want to do is click on your profile picture and tap on the 3 lines in the top right hand corner. Then tap on settings and privacy and tap on privacy. You can see here an option for location services, and we can select never. So we can open settings again, and we need to go to permissions and location, and then don't allow. And that's basically it.